In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this AI effect using AI. So the platform that we're going to use is NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And this is an AI video platform that you can try for just $1. That way you can follow this tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model, we're going to use the model Omni Flash. Now in the length, we're going to use 10 seconds because my video of reference is 10 seconds long. Now we have to click here, and here we need to upload our video. That, as you can see,
this protein completely changed my routine.
This is another AI video that I created for another tutorial. So what we're going to do is to modify this video. You can use any video, a realistic video, an AI video, an animation video. What we will do is modify the original video. So you could upload any video. So now let's click here, and here we're going to use this prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. So now we have to click here, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 3 to 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. The quality of the video is really good. I really like it. And here you have another mini example that I created trying this prompt. So let's see it.
I'm just here.
And as you can see, the effect looks really good. So remember that you can try this platform for just $1. And if you have any doubts, you can write me here via WhatsApp. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.